Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to upload a folder to Google Drive. Uploading a folder to Google Drive can save time when you need to upload multiple files at once. Let's walk through the steps. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com and right here. If not, then click on Drive. So click on Drive and Drive home page will be opened. Once you are signed in, you will see the Google Drive interface. Click on the New button and uh, located at the top left of the screen. So click on New button. Next, select folder upload. So click on folder upload. Navigate to the folder you want to upload. For example, we want to upload folder number 3, new folder 3. So I select this and click on upload to start the process. So click on upload and you can see the folder will uploading and the folder is loaded here. So click on refresh button and new folder 4 and 3. So new folder 4 is uploaded here. Once the upload is complete, the folder will appear on Google Drive. Here is the folder 4. So we just uploaded here and click to open it. So double click on it and the image is shown here, listed here. So that's it. Now you know how to upload a folder to Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching this video.